Before we dive in, make sure to watch till the end. I'll reveal exactly how much this repair could cost you. Have you ever noticed a strange, high-pitched whine coming from the rear of your Toyota Tacoma, especially when cruising at a steady 50 miles per hour? It's often described as a whirring or whining sound, almost like a faint siren, that seems to come from underneath the back of the truck. It's most noticeable at steady speeds or gentle acceleration, right around 50 miles per hour. If you drive a 2016 to 2018 Tacoma Double Cab 4WD with the big 8.75-inch BD22 rear differential, you're not alone. This is a common complaint. The culprit? Vibration from the rear differential travels through the truck's body, creating that distinctive whine. Toyota has even issued a technical service bulletin TSB 001318 Rev 1. It's not a recall, but it means Toyota knows about the issue. So if you hear that whine, don't panic. You're not imagining things, and you're definitely not the only one. Let's get started. So what's Toyota's fix? Dealers install special pillar pads inside both C-pillars, add dynamic dampers to the frame, and swap out the cab mount cushion stoppers on both sides. If you've got a long-wheelbase Tacoma, they'll also replace both rear leaf springs. All of this is done under your basic warranty, 3 years or 36,000 miles. If you can reproduce the noise for the dealer. If you've got a newer Tacoma, listen up. Toyota issued an updated bulletin, TSB 004523, for 2019 to 2023 double cab models. The solution is basically the same, just minus the leaf spring swap. Online, plenty of Tacoma owners say this fix actually works, but remember, you'll need to prove the noise is there before the dealership does anything. And if your truck's outside the warranty, you might be footing the bill. Bottom line, if you hear that 50 mph whine, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Check which years and models are covered and talk to your dealer. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've dealt with this yourself. See you next time. If you have to pay for this repair yourself, expect costs to range from $500 to $1,500, depending on your location, the shop, and whether parts like leaf springs or dampers need replacing. Always get a quote from your dealer or trusted mechanic first.